It's not what you spend, it's how you make money. Most people believe their financial problem is spending. They think the solution is cutting costs, tracking every dollar, being more disciplined. That belief is incorrect. Spending is not the root problem. Income structure is. Two people can spend the same amount of money. One feels calm. The other feels constant pressure. The difference is not behavior. The difference is how money is earned. Spending problems are visible. Earning problems are hidden. That is why most people focus on the wrong thing. Budgeting creates a sense of control, but it is defensive control. It helps you survive. It does not help you escape. You are managing low income, not fixing it. Most people earn money in a linear way. Time is exchanged for income. Work stops. Money stops. This model has a fixed limit. No amount of motivation can change that. This is why working harder rarely changes financial outcomes. Effort without leverage does not scale. It only increases exhaustion. People who escape financial stress do not spend perfectly. They earn differently. They shift from hours to systems, from effort to leverage, from linear income to scalable income. When income scales, spending becomes irrelevant. Small expenses stop feeling risky. Decisions stop feeling heavy. Money becomes predictable. The goal is not to stop spending. The goal is to stop depending on a broken income model. Most people ask the wrong question. They ask how to save more money. The better question is how to earn money differently. Until that changes, nothing else matters. You cannot budget your way out of low income. You must redesign how money enters your life. It was never about what you spend. It was always about how you make money.